some seasonings here. 1 teaspoon of the black pepper, 1 teaspoon of the sea salt, tablespoon of brown sugar. Give it a good rub. Okay, I will put it in the fridge for about 3 hours before I cook. Marinate this chicken for about 4 hours already. Before I put it in the oven, I put 1/4 of this lemon, squeeze a bit juice and put it inside. I put aside some potato, new potato. I peel them and cut in half. Sprinkle a bit salt. Add a little bit of rosemary, black pepper, olive oil on top of the chicken, and heated my oven at 170 degrees for an hour. Just this one main ingredient, and I chopped 1 spring onion, and I chopped 2 slices of this parmesan ham. So add 1 tablespoon of the cooking oil, any kind vegetable oil. Quickly stir fry and add 1 tablespoon of the water and cover for about 20 seconds. Add this ham. Turn off the fire immediately.